Containers. Click on Containers, then scroll down to the How They Work section. Here, you'll find the exact breakpoints for each container class. Bootstrap gives you three main types of containers. The basic container class creates a responsive layout with a fixed max width that adjusts at different screen sizes. Then there's container-fluid, which is always 100% wide across all devices. Finally, you have breakpoint containers. For example, container-md stays full width until the screen reaches the medium breakpoint. Then it switches to a fixed width. Let's try it out. I'll create an h1 and an h2, then wrap them in a div with the container class. When I preview this in the browser, you'll see the content is centered and has a clean fixed width that adapts as the screen size changes. Watch the full video now. Link on screen and in the description.